Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert an ordinary photo into a professional photo with the help of artificial intelligence. Let's jump into the tutorial. Well, the first step will be to go to the first link that I will leave in the description. You will click here, Run Anyway. Now you will have to wait. Don't worry if this takes a while, it's normal. Just be patient. I will shorten the video to make it as short and direct as possible. Okay, once everything is loaded, you will see this message. Click here. Alright, now click on Input Image. Click here. And here, drag the image you want. Alright, here I have the picture. What we're going to do now is click here. And now we'll paint all the background except for the face of the picture. Okay, it should look something like this. Then you're going to go to Advanced, Advanced again, Developer Debug Mode, Control, and activate this option. Now go to the second link that I will leave in the description. Here, you'll have to choose the genre of the photo. Here, the age and appearance specifications. Here, you will put formal. And here, you will put exactly this so that it looks good and the IA has no mistakes. Then, click on Create Content. Here, the page will give us 4 prompts. We will choose the one that looks more according to what we are looking for, simply copy it. And paste it here. Then, click on Generate, and wait for the IA to generate the image. Here, it will give us 2 images. We will choose the one we like the most. In my case, I will choose this one. Right-click, Save Image As, and that's it. Just upload it. If you found this guide useful, consider subscribing, leave a like and comment something. I appreciate it very much. Thank you.